Tekken, this gotta be Tekken, right? I haven't played Tekken in years. The Tekken box logo sticker is super dope, guys. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Let me put the stuff down. I'm your boy C Notes, man. Thanks for checking me out. And in this video, it's about 5 minutes. I'm gonna show y'all all the streetwear pickups I picked up this week in under 5 minutes. I mean, it's some dope stuff, but it's not enough to make it a full video or full unboxing or full review. So just some things. Last week was week 6 of Supreme. I really didn't like anything, guys. Aww. That sounds harsh. A lot of stuff wasn't my style. So only thing I got was the Supreme, what are they calling this? Money box logo new era hat. In the red colorway, of course. Red Scream Supreme. Everyone knows that. Boom. Here we go. And it just has your Supreme box logo on the front. New era on the side. And they got a money box logo there. I guess they calling it. Super dope because it looks 3D. And I like that look. It's even shiny. Yeah, this is a dope look. The back says world famous. You know, famous Supreme quote. Great brim. Yeah, it's dope. If you look in the inside, you can even see the cut from the money. This was dope. I think it was like $48, $58 ship. I haven't checked resale. I'm keeping it. I really like this one. This pickup here I actually had to get from StockX, but I was shocked how pricey, like it was cheap. This is from AntiSocial, and they did a collaboration with Martha Stewart. And this was way back in the summertime. I just didn't know. I never know when AntiSocial drop or Palace. I gotta do better with that. I'm a Supreme KITH guy, but those brands make some dope stuff too. So on the front, you got Martha Stewart eating, what is that, a mussel? It say Martha Stewart's AntiSocial Social Club. I think that's a mussel, guys. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. But the photo is all glittery on it. Dope look. Pink writing, Martha Stewart. The back says AntiSocial Social Club in all black, but you can see it because it's like in a different texture, different design. And I think I paid like $65 from this on StockX. And that's after you get to the third page. You know with StockX, it starts at 40, then you get to the second page, it's like 48. You get to that last page, is $1,000. This was actually like 60-something dollars at the last page. So very affordable, guys. Next up, KITH from BMW. And I brought a gang of stuff from KITH from BMW. As y'all know, I have a BMW now. But it's just taking so long to come. I got the pin set. I got the keychain. The rugs are still there because they priced at $300. But get me on a night where I forget where my money at, I might still go get it because that's the only thing still left from the KITH BMW drop. This time, drop 2. But yeah, this right here is called the, I know I'm going to mess this up, the Skrit Matcher, right? Skrit Matcher. Y'all pronounce that for me, T. And I'm mad because I actually got the other T. That was the first thing I checked out on, and then KITH canceled it for me, man. That's the T I wanted, but I still got something. Yeah, BMW Skrit Matcher. Vintage T, white. So the front has, it looks like a marathon going on, I guess. But the back is what I brought it for. It has a BMW on there. We're going to save this because when all the other KITH BMW stuff coming through, I might just show it all to y'all at once. If y'all knew how long I wanted this tee, y'all would be like, why didn't you just get it? But PacSun gave me a deal I can't refuse. They gave me 30% off my whole cart, so I just went crazy. This right here is the Michelin NESS Dennis Rodman Vintage Tee. And it matches with any retro bred Jordan. So this is kind of like a must-have if you ask me. Rodman, material's beautiful, Michelin NESS. I got it from PacSun. I paid, the Prices took it off, but I think retail was like 50 or 60, but I got 30% off the whole cart. Go to PacSun right now. They having a crazy sale, guys. Yeah. Hardwood Classics, Michelin NESS at the bottom. Dope, iconic Dennis Rodman picture, guys. Still waiting on the Cactus Plant Flea Market to ship me all my tons of clothes that I brought, but I did get another Happy Meal. These things are becoming scarce out here. The adult Happy Meal, guys. Let's see what toy I got. It feels like that girl. Let's see. Told you, it felt like her, man. So I got the girl with the 4 eyes, with the 2 glasses. Got to see what she going for on StockX, cause she's cool. Y'all remember in my Dodgers How to Style, I told y'all, I said I got a whole bunch of Dodgers stuff coming. This is one. Michelin NESS also, Cooperstown collection. Got the World Series Dodger joint. That's 1988. We know what happened this year, man. But good thing I'm a Yankee fan too. So I also got a vintage Yankees Cooperstown Michelin NESS tee. I like this colorway because it matches like the gum soles and the sneakers. You know, a lot of sneakers have gum soles. Same thing, I believe same price, yeah. $38. Cooperstown. PacSun I got it from, but it's Michelin NESS. Yeah, let's get it, Yankees. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video showing y'all little things that I've gotten. The Supreme Box logo is dope, man. But yeah, man, thanks for checking me out. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. I got some fire coming later this week. Everybody, get rich.